How to cancel Pokémon TCGP Premium Pass trial. First things first is this is only applicable for iOS devices, but I'm going to show you how you'll do it on your Apple device. So all you have to do is just pull up your phone's settings. From there, you should be able to find subscriptions, but if you cannot find it manually, then always use your search box. Now in your search box, just simply type in subscriptions. And then once you locate subscriptions, all of the apps that you have subscribed with or all of the platforms that you have a private features in it will show up. And all you have to do is just simply choose on the Pokemon TCGP, and that's the time that you have to tap on that. Once you tap on Pokemon TCGP Premium Pass trial, there's no need for you to choose any other options because the only option that you'll see is to cancel subscription or cancel free trial. Simply tap on that and you will be redirected to the confirmation page. Just tap on confirm and you're good to go. So that's how easy and quick you can cancel Pokemon TCGP Premium Pass trial.